My name is Tim Ria, host and producer of Digital Health Live here in beautiful San Francisco at the Digital Health Summer Summit. Super excited to have Karin Cooke, who's the Director of Innovation Fund for Technology, Kaiser Permanente. Hey, how are you?
Great, thank you.
We've had so many exciting different panels today. I'm really curious to understand, what's your background and how did you get into this space?
Sure, so I've always been in very small startups, lots of nonprofits startups, venture philanthropy, more of the corporate responsibility, healthcare startups, really trying to develop new programs, support new entrepreneurs, innovators. I have a business background and have always focused on that entrepreneurial angle. And so 6 years ago, Kaiser Permanente was starting this fund and they needed someone to start it up and run it, and I leapt at the chance.
Nice. So what was the panel today that you were just on?
It was all about frontline innovators, and that's what the Innovation Fund is all about. Just how do we connect with all of our doctors and nurses and call center teams and IT specialists to really help them translate their ideas for improving and, really game-changing what we do with technology, and how do we support them.
So is it like an incubator or?
It's an incubator. We provide seed funding and we provide all the support to help move an innovation along. You can imagine a doctor who sees patients all day. He may have a great idea, but he doesn't have the time. And so we use their time very well and maximize their vision. And we build the tech team and all the project management and legal and security and compliance support around them so that we can bring the innovation to life without taking up too much time.
Tell me any stories, any examples?
Sure. Well, there's the Dr. Hero game that an OB said, I want to be prepared for these critical event scenarios. How can I do that in a way that's engaging and people want to come back and always refresh their skills? So we partnered with her to develop a video game. We worked with a vendor and we figured out how to make it into a game, and since that time we've developed a couple of other games as well. One recently focused more on weight loss and how we can support our members with that effort.
So I also know you're building your team.
Yes, I am. A big topic today for frontline innovation was how do you evaluate your innovations and prove they are successful, and that's a big focus for us. Right now with our innovations, we often have small evidence of change, and it takes several years to get that larger evidence. But we are putting more focus on that, and really excited to be hiring someone who will help us with our evaluation and outcomes. So find me on LinkedIn.
Okay. So what's your website? And it's Karin Cooke, Cooke.
Yes, the Innovation Fund is internal to Kaiser, so we don't have an external facing one. But if you go to kp.org, at the bottom of the page, there's a careers link, and that's where you'll find the job description. And definitely LinkedIn is a great way to find us. And also, to hear more about our innovation, you can go to kp.org/innovation center and learn more about our innovation work throughout Kaiser.
That's what's exciting being part of the Digital Health Summit family. It's like literally everybody is here with so many different connections and cool stories. So that's Karin Cooke with Kaiser Permanente. Cheers.
Great. Thank you so much.